nagpaparamdam sa'yo na sobrang importante ka, di ba?
Why is he speaking so softly?
It's hard. You can't apply. You can't apply. you can't take on the challenge. You can't deny the fact that
everyone loves you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Forever here. I hope that you are all doing well. So this popped up in my recommendations this morning and I was so excited. I've been waiting to watch this. Well, 2 days to watch this. Firstly, thank you to everybody on TikTok that shares these lives with me. I've got a ton of them in my inbox and even then I miss them. I see the notification pop up and then I miss it. I'm useless. Maybe one day I will catch a proper live. So this is Stell's TikTok live. I know, very predictable of me. I'm back 2 days and both days I'm watching Stell's TikTok lives. But this is from April 8th and I don't know, guys. I looked at that thumbnail and I don't know if I'm going to survive. And this is 1 hour of him sat here in this white tee and I just don't know. Do you want to watch this with me? I'm really excited. I'm hoping that he's in his typical lively, playful, sassy mood and that he eats, he sings, he tells us loads of jokes and gives us insights and gives us good advice, makes us feel seen and heard and everything. That's what he always does, doesn't he? And I'm looking forward to this. Should we watch this together?
Casual na sobrang na-appreciate po yung performance namin. Kahit first time lang po nila kaming makita in person. Sobrang solid. Sobrang thank you po for dancing with us, for singing with us sa mga
I have not listened to a single thing that's come out of that mouth.
Sa mga namin performances that night. Sobrang solid talaga. Saya.
I love this hair. This length looks really good on him.
Mainit ba dito?
It is.
Well, maganda yung pwesto ng kondo ko kasi sa umaga lang ako natatamaan ng araw pero pag tanghali, nasa lilim ako pero nasa yung unit ko hindi pinapasok nung sikat ng araw sa tanghali but yung parang anong tawag dito, yung balcony ko may konting sikat ng araw kaya maganda tapos pumapasok yung hangin. Pero ngayon nakabukas po kasi yung aircon kasi sila Naya and si Peachy parang gusto nila laging nakabukas yung aircon. Pag nakabukas yung aircon, natutulog sila malapit doon. So, feeling ko gusto nila laging nakabukas aircon.
The fit of this tee, I mean, he could have sized up, but why? This is perfect.
Wala si Naya and Peachy lang. Teka.
Why do people always ask that? What is he wearing underneath? I mean that in a really innocent way. Come back.
Let's go, let's eat.
What's that? Is it just milk?
Okay. So, ang kakain ko po ngayon ay this is sisig tofu with isang sunny side up egg. Tapos may 1 cup ata to ng brown rice. Pero nagluto ako ng dalawang sunny side up egg pa kasi parang gusto ko lang. Tapos meron ako ditong tuna. May piercing daw ba ako sa kilay? Actually guys, I think this is the right time. Wala po. Ano lang yun? Dinikit lang namin. Kasi di ba yung damit ko maraming studs. So, naisip ko lang maglagay para bagay. Hindi ako naglagay para mang prank. Like sinadya namin talaga. Pero wala po. Hindi po siya totoo. It's a fake. Parang hindi ko rin po kayang ipatotoo. Kasi pagka thank you po sa nagsisend ng stickers and gifts. Kasi po pagka pinatotoo ko yun, wala nang atrasan. Yeah. Like, nandito na siya.
Well, you can always take it out. But yeah.
Parang hindi ko pa po siya makomit eh. Siguro okay na po muna yung dikit-dikit muna. Tsaka baka mabigla yung kasi ang dami ko na dito, tapos meron dito. Pag may mga nakita nga sa akin, lagi nila sinasabi, ang dami mo ng hikaw. Tapos pag nagdagdag pa, actually dito yun. Pag nagdagdag ako dito, baka nang totoo, baka sabihin ng katawan ko, abuso na ako. So, okay yung dikit-dikit lang. Okay, so kain na muna ako. habang sasagot ng mga questions.
I feel like he might want to get it done someday. I don't know how I feel about that. Who cares how I feel?
Sarap
If he
ng
feels
brown
good,
rice
that's fine.
Parang malata.
I mean, it suits him.
Nice.
He's always making me hungry.
Tanghalian ba yan o merienda? Actually,
I'm so
nagising
hungry.
ako 11. So pagising ko ng 11, nag-breakfast ako.
Brunch. Oh.
So, hindi naman ako makapag-lunch kasi kaka-breakfast ko lang. So after ko mag-breakfast, dumiretso na akong gym. Tapos, pagpunta akong gym, ito na yung lunch ko. Yeah, this is my lunch.
Have I already said that I'm really hungry? Why?
Bakit? Anong TikTok ni Ken?
What did Ken do? Don't tell me Ken is
Anong
also
TikTok ni
live.
Ken? Kalbo?
He's bald. He's not bald. You were going on about being bald.
Kalbo na si Ken?
He better not be. He had a ponytail the last time I saw him.
Ang cute! Sabi ng teddy bear.
You know when you wear something and you get the little pulls here? I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but like across the chest. That means that that item fits you really well. I just wanted to point that out.
Dinodog show ako. May TikTok siya, nagpakalbo. Tapos yung totoong kalbo. Wow,
He better not
may
be.
goal. Thank you po. Ano yung goal?
He's so cute for like reacting to all the stickers and
Ayaw nga,
stuff.
Manigan. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po.
That's sweet.
Salamat po sa mga nag-send ng stickers. Asan na yun?
Like he'll never get bored of doing it.
Thank you kay Isaac Cario 11, Malensky, kay Tasha 0817 _, kay Jean Marie 0723, kay Tita Weng for Mahalima, kay Kuro-chan BB, kay Kentel Uwu, and kay Jovan Burley. Grabe, sobrang mga familiar names pa rin yung mga nababasa ko. Grabe. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
It's because
anong
once you
ginagawa
become an
niyo ngayon?
18, you're never going to go anywhere.
Actually, kanina nga iniisip ko kung magpapahinga ako. Pero parang may energy ako dumaldal. So, nag-live ako. So, after ko siguro kumain and after ng live, magpapahinga lang ako. Tapos, mag-iisip na ako ng next kong gagawin. Ay, di ko pala naaayos yung cut litter nila Naya.
Daddy duties.
Tulog sila. Tulog sila dun sa living room kasi bukas yung aircon. So, nakatapat sila dun sa aircon. Sipag mo today. Dapat! Pag may oras ka na gawin yung mga gusto mo, gawin mo na kagad. Kasi pag di ka kumilos ngayon, kailan ka kikilos? Diba? Kailan ka kikilos?
Exactly.
Tsaka kakikilos pag sobrang busy ka na, pag natambakan ka na ng trabaho. Tapos, tsaka ka dun magagahol sa oras, dun ka magmamadali pagka kailangan mo na. Dapat habang may oras ka, gawin mo na lahat ng gusto mo.
Get it over and done with.
Pag pinansin ako nito, bablock ko mama ko.
What?
Pag binlock mo mama mo, black ay abot mo. For sure. 1M na si Pao. Oo nga, nakita ko sa TikTok. 1 million followers na. Solid.
Oh, massive congrats to Pablo. That's amazing.
Ano ulam
Do we get
ko?
a prize for that?
Ulam ko is tofu sisig with sunny side up egg and canned tuna, then brown rice. And I'm drinking, what do you call this? This is a protein milk.
Food is literally life for
Mag-live
him,
ka sa
isn't it?
studio. Sorry, hindi pwede. Kayo ah. One M na si Pablo. Oo nga eh. Congrats. Ano reaction mo sa new song ni Ken?
Oh,
Yung Fake Faces. Actually maganda siya. Nakakaganon. Tapos parang nung nasa Aurora kami, lagi niya yung pinapatugtog sa phone kasi nga nag-i-edit siya bago siya kasi ba nagpo-post siya sa TikTok nun. Ini-edit niya yun. So mayat maya ako naririnig. Parang yung Fake Faces na yun. Parang nung day ata na nirelease yun, nasa Aurora kami, di ba? Parang tapos sobrang busy siya ata kasi nag-i-edit siya. Naririnig ko siya noon, nakahiga siya sa kama tapos nag-i-edit siya ng ng mga reels ata or
cute.
TikTok post niya.
So he does it all himself then?
Busy siya nung day na yun. Pero oo, maganda yung song.
Because you never really know with their social media whether they're doing
sabi ni
it
Justin,
or
very high school vibes.
whether the team does it.
Kain ko yung sili, anghang.
I bet it's not. So what he's eating, is it cold? It looks cold.
Panoorin mo yung TikTok. Sige, mamaya. After ng live. Musta dance class? Masaya! Solid! Grabe.
He went for a dance class?
Actually, first time ko mag-attend ng class.
He went to a
Dati
dance
ko pa
class
gusto mag-attend,
with
pero
like
kasi
normal people.
nahihiya talaga ako mag-attend ng class.
Oh,
Kasi iniisip ko kasi lahat ng mga umattend ng class, sobrang galing na sumayaw. So parang nahihiya ako. Parang nahihiya ako na sumabay sa
What?
kanila. Kasi syempre, yung mga yun, sobrang solid na mga mananayaw yun. Eh ako, parang,
what?
ganun.
Shut your face. I'm sorry.
So parang,
What?
naglakas loob lang ako magsabi kay Kuya Jay na sasama ako sa dance class niya kasi kasama yung
You're feeling it?
mga dancers namin, yung scouts. So,
Oh, so there's nothing to be shy about
sila
there.
pupunta. Sumama ako. Sabi ko, Kuya Jay, sali ako sa class mo kahit sa likod lang, ganun.
But he ended up at the front, in the
Sobrang saya.
center.
Tapos, Yung mga taong,
Can I see that
yung mga
somewhere?
dancers na umaattend ng class, sobrang mararamdaman mo yung passion and fire nila na sobrang dedicated sila sa ginagawa nila. Kaya lalong nakaka-inspire. Parang, syempre hindi naman mawawala yung mga, meron mga umaattend ng dance class na hindi sila fast learner. Pero makikita mo sa kanila na willing sila na gawin yung best nila kasi alam mo yun, nakikita nila na yung mga kasabay nila sobrang eager din and passionate din dun sa ginagawa. So parang kahit hindi sila ganun ka fast learner, doon nila na-develop yung skill na maka-catch up ng mabilis sa steps. Kasi nga nakikita nila yung paligid nila is parang ganun din, sobrang in the zone na in the zone. So parang nararamdaman ko lahat parang Gina G, parang iba't iba man ang hugot yung mga dancers na umattend. Iba't iba man yung mga experiences nila sa dancing, pero makikita mo na sobrang willing sila dun sa lesson or sa tinuturo ni Kuya Jay, and iba't iba yung ways nila kung paano nila na-absorb yung steps na tinuturo. So parang ang galing, nakaka-inspire and sobrang nakakatuwa sumama sa mga ganun. Sabi ko nga next time sasama ulit ako pagka may free time. So parang ang saya talaga, sobrang fun. Tas lahat ng tao kahit di mo kakilala, hinahype mo lang, ganun. Nakakahiya pero nakakatuwa, inspiring.
It's great fun. I love dance classes. You make so many friends as well.
Ito na naman yung bear. Teddy bear.
I'm really curious about this dance class now.
May chismis daw siya. Ano yun?
There's always one.
Ha? May kambal daw ba ako? Saan nyo nakita yung isa?
Tell me. Where?
May nabasa ko kanina, sabi, pwede daw palang kumain ng madami kahit nagdi-gym. Actually, kung nagdi-gym ka, kailangan mo rin talagang kumain. Kasi,
it depends what you want to get from it.
Yung mga muscle na tinrain mo, kailangan nila ng nourishment. kailangan mo kumain kasi yung mga muscle na tinrain mo, kailangan nila ng tutulong sa kanila para yung mga pinaghirapan mo mabuild ng maayos. Kasi before, iniisip ko pag nag-gym ka, dapat huwag kang kakain kasi nga nag-gym ka. So parang yung binurn mo, madadagdagan lang, pero hindi pala. Kailangan mo rin kumain ng tama. Kailangan mo kumain ng balanced meal para para yung pinaghirapan mo like ma-build siya ng tama. Hindi yung porket nag-gym ka, porket pinawisan ka, inisip mo parang yan, nakapag-burn na ako, parang okay na to, tapos hindi ka nakakain, tubig ka lang. Parang mali daw yun. Kailangan mo ng protein pa rin, kailangan mo kumain. Anong tawag doon? Parang tama ba? Crash diet. Parang ganun, crash diet. Yeah, importante ang protein kasi yun talaga ang tutulong sa iyo mag-build ng muscle. So, yung last time, yun yung learning ko. Kasi before, puro ako pag nag-gym ako, after ko mag-gym, kakain lang ako ng boiled egg, kakain ako ng tinapay. So, parang kulang yung natatanggap ng katawan ko. So, parang napagod lang siya, pero hindi siya nag-build. Parang ganun. So, dapat tulungan mo rin yung katawan mo na mag-heal siya ng kusa kasi yung muscle na in-stretch mo, kailangan niya ng nourishment para basta something like that, i-search nyo na lang. It's so hard for me to explain because I'm not a teacher. I'm not a gym, I'm not a instructor, but yeah.
We understand.
Ganun yun, guys. Hirap explain eh.
And I just want to say on that point that I mean, I know he's talking about a specific subject here, but every single thing that this man has given his opinion on, it has been pure sunshine. Like, he doesn't, talk negatively about anything. Like, he could so easily be like, oh, if you want to lose weight, like, he never makes anything negative or that you need to get rid of anything. It's always like thinking about the positive side of things, thinking about how to better yourself. Like, that, his thought in his mind is always like the positive betterment. And like, you have to have had one hell of an upbringing to always think about that first, right? And not be clouded by judgment or negativity or what you come across on social media. He's always aiming for the positive, always taking care of himself and others.
I don't know the exact word, but
we understand.
Magpapahaba ka ba ng hair? No. Actually, I plan on
keeping it black,
making my hair long even before pa. Pero kasi napapansin ko, pagka nagpapahaba ako ng hair,
everyone loses their mind.
Parang yung face ko lumalaki tignan. I mean, hindi naman siya bad thing, pero parang for me lang, parang mas neat akong tignan pagka neat din yung cut ko, pag clean cut lang yung gupit ko. Tsaka pag nagpa-long hair pa ako, ang dami na naming long hair. So dapat bibigay ko na sa iba yun para hindi kami same-same. Diba? Para merong identity, each and every one of us.
He's always thinking about the group. He really does prioritize SB19 over everything. I love him with long hair. You know that little ponytail that Ken's got? I want Stell to have that.
Same, miss ko na rin yung red hair ko.
Do you? I do sometimes when I see it. But also, look at this.
After kong kumain and after ng live, feeling ko si siesta lang ako dito, papahinga.
I love taking naps.
Movie. Kasi feeling ko gabi pa yung mga training if ever.
The tagline of my life is cats, naps, and snacks. It's like my three most favorite things in this world.
Sino kambal?
What joke is this? Am I missing a joke? Which twin?
Ano yun? Ano yung pinindot ko? Teka nga. Kanina pa yung nagsasabi may chismis siya, di naman yung sinishare. When ka magpapakulay ng buhok?
No. Never.
Iniisip ko pa kasi kulay na naman. Kaka-black ko nga lang eh.
Keep it.
Possible daw magkaroon ng day 3 yung pagtatag finale. Grabe yung day 3 ah.
Is it though? Is it really? The 2 days are going to be sold out, aren't they? Like within minutes.
Ano ba magandang topic? Paano kung
what in the baby eating is this? He's just nibbling on it.
Actually nga, no, malapit na nga yung pagtatag, no? Excited na ba kayo, guys? Dubai, Japan, tapos finale.
And then, solo.
Nag-apply ba ako ng moisturizer sa face? Yun ba yung question?
No, this is his natural glow.
Wala po. Kakatapos ko lang po maligo, so parang feeling ko. Magtanong kayo ng mga weird questions.
Really?
Yung mga weird question na pwedeng sagutin.
Weird question.
Try natin sagutin. Wait lang, magbabasa lang ako.
He has no idea what can of
Thank you
worms
sa
he is
mga
opening up
nag-send.
here. 18 are going to be so good at this.
Stickers. Guys, ng
Weird
gifts.
questions.
Na ano yung goal natin. Kay Stell Your Angel, thank you. Uy, bumalik siya, si Natmeka SB. Si Tasha 0817 _ si Sherna, si Kuruchan BB, thank you. Si Kentel, si JYC, ano to, Joyce France yung name mo. And si Isaacario 11. Thank you guys for sending your gifts. Kaya magbasa tayo ng mga weird question.
I am not ready for this. How weird is this going to get? I'm excited.
Ano? Weird question na. Yung pinaka-weird question na pwedeng sagutin. Isip kayo ng malupit na question.
Gosh, what a forehead.
Ang English ng water. Wala.
18. Come on.
Sino ba ako?
I would love it if like people started asking
Weird
stuff
nga
that
eh.
shocked him.
Weird, who's your crush? Ano yun?
That's not weird. Although I would like to know who his celebrity crush is these days.
Favorite color mo sa electric fan? Ano mo naman? Favorite color mo sa electric fan? Siguro yung blue yung LC. Ayan, naranasan mo na bang naranasan mo na bang managinip? Ano daw? Nawala. Oh my God.
Oh no.
Nawala. It's gone. Ayan, naranasan mo na bang managinip ng pangyayari tas biglang
That's a good one.
nagkatotoo? Actually, deja vu yun, di ba? Yung ganun. Deja vu. Yung parang ang nangyari sa dream pero nangyayari siya in reality. Like, thank you, Stellar Angel, sa pag-send ng whale. Parang, normally, it happens like, parang, madalas nangyayari yun. Parang, parang nangyari na to, deja vu. Parang nakita mo na siya sa dreams mo, tapos nangyayari siya in reality.
Yeah, but we mean like actual dreams. I've had
In
dreams
5
that
years,
have
sa tingin mo, anong pinagkakaabalahan
become
mo?
reality, both
Siguro yung
positive and
onesie.
negative.
Sinong Disney princess ang gusto niyong makapartner? Disney princess na gustong makapartner. Sino naman Disney princess na pwede kong makapartner? Dami kasi nila eh.
So, you want
Hirap
people to
kong
ask
mag-decide.
questions,
Sorry.
and then you're not answering. It's like I wasn't hungry because he wasn't eating, and now he's eating, and now I'm hungry again. So I'm not hungry. It's just that he eats so deliciously that it makes me hungry.
Favorite color sa Teletubbies? Yung red si Poe.
That's the first one that came to my mind.
Deep, si Lala, Poe. Yung pinakabunso.
So cute.
Pinakabunso porket maliit. Siya yung pinaka, di ba, pinakabata, yung bunso nila, si Poe. Yung red. May ex ka ba? Opo. Ang name ko po sa X ay @StelAhero. You can follow me on X po. Meron po ako.
But do you have a burner account?
Ang name ko po sa
Tell
X
us who
ay
you are.
@StelAhero. Follow me po. Thank you. Actually, yung Paw Patrol, hindi ko napanood eh. Hindi ko kilala. Alam ko lang yung tsura nila pero hindi ko sila kilala.
Why are 18 with all these weird questions?
Naisip mo ba magkaroon ng hosting show? Actually, for now, hindi. Kasi parang parang mas pinaprioritize ko muna yung mga bagay na kaya lang gawin ng hindi sobrang mahahati yung time ko sa group. Parang ganun.
We've always known that. He'd always prioritize the group and he never takes on more than he can handle. Because whatever he wants to do really well.
Sleep paralysis. Naranasan ko na daw ba? Actually parang, pero hindi lang ako sure kung sleep paralysis ba yun. Nagpupunta mo mga kapatid ko. Nung Holy Week, nandito sila. Dito ko sila pinapunta ng Holy Week. Tapos nag-movie marathon lang kami. Ganun.
Cute.
Okay lang daw ba kasali? Kasali siya sa without honor? Hindi ko na-gets. Still nag-aaral ako. Ba't ka nag-live? Ay. Sensya na. Sensya na.
That's mean. Take it back.
Naman ako eh. Pagpalipas oras eh. Malay ko bang nag-aaral ka na ngayon. Send mo na lang sa akin yung schedule mo para hindi ko masabayan. Sensya na.
Why is he feeding our delusions by doing this?
Send mo sa akin yung schedule mo para hindi ko sasabayan. Check ko yung schedule mo para pag nag-aaral ka hindi ako magla-live. Sino ka sa Power Rangers Blue? Power Ranger Blue. Power Ranger Blue. Power Ranger Blue. Unusual na gusto maging pet? Feeling ko panda. Pero bawal di ba mag-alaga ng panda? Sino ka sa anime? Sinubita na lang. Kahit di siya anime. Kahit cartoon siya. Naniniwala ka bang red flag ang mga Gemini?
Anyone can be a red flag. Seriously. It's got nothing to do with zodiac sign.
Siguro, depende sa tao. Parang...
What people do is they use that as an excuse. Oh, it's parang because I'm a Gemini. That's
actually,
what's wrong.
Actually, kahit di lang naman sa Gemini. I mean, paano ba? Maraming red flag sa mundo. Maraming mga bagay na hindi na pagkakasunduan. Pero, syempre, kung may nagawa siyang isang bagay, hindi mo naman agad i-judge yung tao na ganun talaga siya sa isang bagay na nagawa niya, diba? So, parang, I don't know. Siguro kung red flag yung mga Gemini, okay lang.
No, it's not okay.
Who am I to judge, di ba?
It's like me and Aries. Either, if you're an Aries, I love you, you are my soulmate, or I hate your guts.
Ideal zodiac sign. May ganun ba? Parang, Sabagay, sabi ko nga, weird question. Mga tanong nyo. I stand SB19. Ako na po ang tatayo. Gusto niyo po ba mag-stand ang SB19?
Oh, come on, people. I would have asked so many weird questions.
Pet peeve. May bago akong pet peeve. Yung mga pumapasok tsaka lumalabas ng kwarto tapos hindi sinasara yung pinto. Kayo Pag lumabas kayo ng room, pag binuksan niyo yung pinto, make sure isasara niyo paglabas niyo.
Well, at least
yung iwan yung bukas.
Like, leave it how you found it.
Especially pag may mahalagang pinag-uusapan tapos lalabas tapos iiwan bukas yung pintuan. Parang sino magsasara nun? Sino magsasara? Ako, yan bagong pet peeve ko yan.
Onesie meetings.
Like, lang naman siya, mababaw lang. Pero kasi pag paulit-ulit, tapos parang, for example, nag-uusap-usap, tapos ilang beses siyang lalabas, tapos ilang beses niyang gagawin niya. So parang, pero naman, di ko naman sila ginajudge. Parang parang nakakanginig lang ng utak minsan pagka
Oh, I love
pag palaging ganun.
You can see the irritation on his face.
Sino ako sa Powerpuff Girls? Si Mojo Jojo.
She's not a Powerpuff Girl. I mean, he's not a Powerpuff Girl.
Pumunta ka ba sa concert nyo? Actually, busy ako nun eh. Baka wala ako sa concert namin. Tas maniniwala kayo. Mas kilala ko Voltes 5. Sino ka sa Encantadia? Si Hagorn. O kaya si Imaw. Still, same tayo ng birthday. Talaga? Wow. Happy birthday. What age ka po mag-aasawa? Aba, malay ko po.
That question again.
Wala ko po sa isip ko yan. Siguro 75? Or 80?
Fair enough.
Siguro okay na yung 84. Pag 84, mag-aasawa na ako.
He must be so sick of those questions. Don't ask him about that.
Sino ka sa SB19? Sino ba ako? Siguro ako yung isa sa tech rider nila. Ilang anak gusto ko? Okay ba yung 50? Para maraming mag-aalaga sa akin pag tumanda ako.
Yeah, but you have to look after them until they are of age. You better get working. Release that solo song. Chop chop. I just love it. People are just throwing this stuff at him and he is just like batting it away.
May plan ka bang mag-migrate sa ibang country?
Why? No.
For now, ako, hindi. Pero yung family ko, gusto ko sana ilipat sa ibang country. Kung pwede nga sana sa Japan na parang, kaya lang kasi yung Japan, hindi siya parang US na parang, pag may kamag-anak ka, pwede na silang lumipat doon once maging citizen sila doon. Pero kasi parang yung family ko, parang gusto ko sila ilipat sa ibang country habang ako yung busy dito. Parang ganun.
Wow.
Parang masaya kasi na iniisip mo na lang na okay sila sa isang place, ganun. Tapos parang ikaw focus ka sa work, tapos papadala ka na lang ng pang-support, ganun. Tapos sobrang okay sila, mga ganun. So parang gusto ko ganun gawin, parang dalahin sila sa ibang lugar. Para at least, magkaroon man ng problem dito sa Philippines. Ako na lang mag-isa, parang ganun. Mas madali akong makakakilos. Tapos sila nasa mas safer place. I mean, hindi ko naman sinasabi hindi safe dito. I mean, at least sila nasa mas mas sure akong kampante kasi sama-sama sila, tapos parang kompleto, parang ganun. Yun lang, naisip ko lang naman.
That's really interesting.
Sana in the future.
I would never have thought that he was going to say that, you know?
Siyempre bukod sa Philippines, Japan. Kasi aminin man natin, marami mang problema dito sa bansa natin, pero ang sarap-sarap ng dito, ng mga nangyayari. I mean, ang sarap mamuhay ng alam mo kung paano kumikilos. I mean, alam mo yung pasikot-sikot, parang ganon. Pero sa ngayon ang hirap yun, ang daming problems, ang daming
It's so sad to hear that, you know, but it is like that pretty much everywhere, I would say. The grass does seem greener on the other side.
Yung problema, di ba? Ang saya-saya pa rin ng mga Pinoy. Like kahit maraming problema, pero pagkalokohan, ang galing-galing.
Now, I want to talk about this because it's really interesting. I've thought about myself, like, do I want to live here for the rest of my life? I don't know if I see myself growing old in England. Obviously, I've grown up here. This is 100% my country. I'm very used to the ways and the way that people deal with each other and everything. But I don't know, like, do I want to be here? Do I want to have a family here? I'm just not sure if this is now the place for me. And I say that because I just feel like people are very short-tempered, very impatient, and obviously not everybody, but a lot of people that you come across, and it's every man for himself. So I feel like where you just are not always able to make those real connections with people, friendships, colleagues, etc. And yeah, it's a real like dog-eat-dog world out here. And especially I've noticed a lot of, and I hope that you don't think I'm always pulling the race card, and I'm not, but I have suffered a lot of racism, and even for like ridiculous things where I will see like my counterpart being able to do the exact same thing, but a lot easier because they are British, English, white. And when it comes to me, I just don't understand. Like, on paper, we are exactly the same. The only thing different is my ethnicity. And I'm getting to a point where I'm getting really sick of that. Now, I mean, I probably will end up just living here for the rest of my life because I am rooted here, I am settled here, my family is here. But to me, when I think about life and I think about quality of life, I think about going somewhere where things are a little bit more relaxed, where people are better, where the lifestyle is better. I would rather live a mediocre life in a country where everyone is happy, where you have real relationships. I think that's what I crave, those real relationships with people, a community, rather than living in a place where I can earn more money or where I can have a fancy car and a fancy house. I don't know, like, I've thought about it a lot, and if I could go somewhere else and earn what I'm earning now but have a better quality of life, I think I would choose to do that. I feel like I've just got to know Stell so much more in this life.
Nag-beach ba ako? Hindi po.
I did.
Sana nga maabutan namin yung Sakura sa Japan. Kasi parang patapos na ng May yun eh. Korea or Japan? Japan po. Ewan ko lang kasi sa Japan parang sobrang accommodating ng mga tao. Parang sobrang, lalo na yung mga senior citizen doon, sobrang babait. Like yung mga kapitbahay ng tita ko namimigay ng mga prutas. Yung mga kapitbahay ng tita ko doon, alam mo yung mga mag-asawang matanda, tapos may malaking farm. May farm ng watermelon, may farm ng strawberry. So parang pagka nag-harvest sila, namimigay sila. Ang babait. Tapos laging nambabate, ganun. Parang lagi ka nilang papansinin, lagi kang kakausapin, kahit di ko sila naiintindihan, kahit di ako makasagot. Gusto lang nila ng kausap, ganun.
I miss that here.
How to be confident like you? Confident ba ako? Actually, iniisip ko lang na
on a very side note, he could find himself a very nice Japanese young lady, couldn't he?
Iniisip ko lang na dapat, paano ba? Actually, hindi talaga ako confident. Sabi nga nila, fake it till you make it. Inaano ko lang, parang iniisip ko lang na...
That is exactly what I do.
Hindi, gano'n. Para mawala yung kaba ko, ganyan. Hirap naman.
And you have to master your poker face. People don't mess with you after that.
Pero yung pagiging confident, parang sa'yo magsa-start yun. Siyempre, alam ka naman sa katabi mo. Yeah, mind over matter. Kasi minsan, iniisip mo masyado pero ang hindi mo alam, yung mga tao, ganun din pala yung iniisip. Like, sila rin pala, nahihiya, lahat sila kinakabahan. So, pare-pares na kayo ng iniisip. Ganun. Tsaka, kung ikaw, iniisip mo yung for example, itsura mo that day, iniisip mo yung itsura mo that day. Actually, hindi ka papansinin ng ibang tao kung ano itsura mo. Kasi sila, iniisip din nila kung ano itsura nila that day din. Parang iniisip nila yung sarili nila. Siyempre, mas unahin nila yung sarili nila isipin kaysa isipin pa nila yung nakikita sa paligid nila. Parang ganun. Kaya dapat huwag kang matakot kasi ang ibang tao ay busy pansinin ang sarili rin nila. Parang ganun.
And that one thing that you might have said and you're like, oh, why did I say that? Why did I do that? I'm so embarrassed that that happened to me. That is a moment in your life that you're thinking about, that you're dwelling on, but other people will not even remember that you did that. They will not judge you for it because everybody is living as complex a life as you are. And so not in a selfish way, but they're focused on a lot of other things. They're juggling a lot of balls. And so don't fret.
For example, ako, siyempre, bago ko tingnan yung iba, titignan ko muna yung sarili ko kung okay ba ako, ganyan. Parang ganun. So, huwag kayong kabahan, huwag kayong matakot, huwag kayong mahiya. Be yourself.
What's the word for shy? It sounded like haya. That is
no one
the same
will
in my language.
You. Only you. You do you. You are what you eat. You, Soldier Wami, you. Pansinin mo ako, broken ako ngayon.
Oh.
Ideal type. Actually, mahirap yung...
Oh no, not
mahirap
again.
magsabi ng ideal type kasi sa kalaunan yan, may ideal type ka nga, pero yung mapupunta sa'yo, yung...
And that's the trick.
Hindi naman ideal type mo. Kasi sabi naman nila, di ba, hindi naman natuturuan ng puso. Paano kung siya yung ideal, yung nagbigay ka nga ng ideal type mo, pero yung nakita mo sa taong yun, wala yung ideal type mo, pero siya yung nagpapasaya sa'yo. Siya yung nagpaparamdam sa'yo na sobrang importante ka, di ba?
Why is he speaking so softly?
It's hard. You can't apply. You can't apply. you can't take on the challenge. You can't deny the fact that
everyone loves you.
Pero ganyan, tama naman din. Kahit sabihin mo na meron kang ideal, marirealize mo din na yung magugustuhan mo parang hindi naman siya ganun. Ba't hindi naman siya yung gusto ko? I mean, hindi naman siya yung taong ganun
But
na
I like
gusto
them.
ko,
I
na
feel
ideal
a
ko.
way
Pero
about
bakit
them.
parang nagustuhan ko siya? Parang ganun. Kasi minsan wala naman yan sa ano mo yun? Wala naman yan sa kung ano yung nakikita mo kagad. Nandun yun sa long process kung paano kayo together nag-work or paano kayo together as a sabihin natin as a couple, parang ganun, or as someone na ano mo yun.
Why is he talking about this? It gives me butterflies. Next topic, please.
Ako na yun. Funny rin daw ba yung bet ko? Actually, hirap nga magsabi. Hindi ko masabi. Pero kung wala rin namang problema. Kung funny din siya, edi parehas kaming maingay. Mag-ingay kami. Pero kung hindi, okay lang rin naman. Kahit ano naman eh. Kasi nga, di ba sabi nila, masasabi mo namang siya na yun pagka siya na. Ha? I don't know, parang hindi naman talaga siya. Bakit naging ano na to? Love yung ano yung
It
topic
always
niyo?
does. Always.
Kit mo to, Raymond. Tabi, ako na to. I mean, sa totoo lang parang
But he wants to talk
lagi mo
about it
sinasabi,
too.
ideal type mo, ganito, ganyan, 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 ganyan. Pero dadating yung panahon na mapapagod ka kakahanap ng ideal type mo kasi hanap ka ng ideal type mo. Hindi mo alam, yung tao palang makakasama mo, yung tao palang para sa'yo is yung mga taong nakakasama mo na ng matagal. Hindi mo lang napapansin kasi kala mo hindi sila yung ideal
Kasi
for you. Tapos, hanggang sa, alam mo yun, hindi mo naman kasi masasabing hindi siya agad ideal for you kung hindi mo pa siya nakikilala, kung hindi mo pa siya nakakasalamuha, parang ganun. Masasabi mo lang yung siguro yung ideal, parang ano lang siya, parang ayun nga, parang iniisip mo lang siya na gusto mo
Yeah.
ganito, ganyan, pero feeling ko 90-80% hindi rin, or I don't know, wala naman ako sa lugar para magsabi, pero ayun lang yung for me.
It just happens.
In love na to siguro. Kayo nagtatanong kayo tapos pag sinagot, may nagchat sa akin, ano daw ang non-nego ko na sa ka-relation. Siguro may mata. Yun yung non-nego. Siguro ano, ano bang non-nego?
He's already told us this before
Siguro
as well.
dapat humihinga siya. Diba? Yun yung non-nego. Siguro dapat humihinga. Yan na lang. Mali yung may mata. Ano na lang siguro. Dapat humihinga siya. Dapat humihinga. Yun talaga. Non-nego. Dapat humihinga.
What is that look for?
Ano daw yung non-nego? Parang ano, parang, paano ba siya explain in easiest? Non-nego yung parang, for example, ako gusto ko ng apple juice. Gusto ko ng malamig na apple juice. Pero sasabihin sa'yo, ay sir, wala po kaming apple juice. Ang meron lang po kami, mango, kiwi, orange, langka, ganun. Sasabihin mo, sige, okay lang po kahit ano, basta po ang non-nego ko ay malamig. Tama yung explanation ko.
I don't know.
Parang, papayag ka na kahit ano, basta malamig kasi non-nego mo yun. Non-negotiable. Parang
That was
non-negotiable.
such
Yun
a
yung
roundabout way.
hindi pwedeng mawala sa request mo or sa gusto mo. Parang ganun. Tama ba?
He's explaining this in such a roundabout way. It's like Stell saying that my non-negotiable is that after we get married, you are going to live with me and my parents who also live with me. And if the girl is like, well, that's not going to happen, I want to have our own place, then that's a non-negotiable, isn't it?
Non-negotiable. Dapat andun siya. Parang ganun.
It would be a no. Goodbye.
Parang, gusto ko ng juice. Gusto ko ng juice. Pero, dapat, maraming yelo. Yun ang non-nego ko. Kahit anong juice. Basta, punong-puno ng yelo. Ganun. Tama ba yung sample ko? Ang hirap naman kasi explain. Bakit naman kasi pinapag-explain nyo? Tama na nga, bye-bye. Pinatay.
Emergency evacuation. Please give him more difficult questions. I'm loving this. Put him on the hot seat.
Ako rin naman kasalanan kasi sinagot ko yung tanong. Style mag-end ka na, malulobat na ako. Akin na charge natin. May bagong TikTok si Ja. Sisipag ah. Sisipag na mag-TikTok ah. Na-inlove ka na po ba?
Yes.
Bakit kayo ba hindi? Yung first time na nilabas kayo sa mundo, na-inlove na kagad kayo sa parents niya eh. Yun nga yung first love natin, yung parents natin eh.
Good answer. Next.
Yun ang first love na na-feel natin.
Yeah.
Simula nung pinanganak tayo, yun na yun. Sabi niya, hindi lahat. Sa bagay, may point din naman. Sorry. Ako yun. Sorry, pasensya na po. Ako yun. I mean, ako, first love ko nung pinanganak ako. Habang pinapainom ako ng gatas, siguro, kinikilig ako nun. Kasi buhay na ako sa mundo.
Cutie.
First love ko po si lola ko. O, di ba? Siya yung lola niya. Kasi siya yung lola may nag-alaga sa'yo. Ever since. Love language. Love language ko siguro. Sinabi ko na ito last time act of service. Kung ikakasal daw ako, anong date gusto ko? Feeling ko December para maraming handa. Sabay ng Pasko. Or New Year para may fireworks.
I like it.
Para tipid.
It's true though. Why not?
New Year, isasakto ko ng November, sakto ko ng ng December, January, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October,
He
November,
really
December.
does this?
Sakto ng January 31.
He really uses this method.
January 31 ng December 31. Para depende, di ba? Tapos lahat ng tao, tatama rin ang pumunta sa sa reception kasi magpe-prepare sila ng handa sa New Year. So, hindi ka na magpe-prepare ng handa sa reception kasi may handa na sila sa bahay nila.
Oh, they might just think they don't need to because you're going to provide for them. Style. I like a man that saves money, but
may gender daw bang pinipili ang pagmamahal? Actually, wala eh.
Of course there's not.
If you love someone,
and I love you for saying this.
Diba? Sa team namin, ang daming mga part ng LGBTQIA+ na sobrang happy nila ngayon sa relationship nila, and sobrang nakakatuwa kasi parang before takot na takot sila na hindi naman takot. Before parang tinatanong ko yung mga mga stories nila eh. Yan sila sila mamamak, mga ganyan. tinatanong ko yung story nila, paano sila nagkakilala ng mga jowa-jowa nila. Ang nakakatuwa yung mga story nila. So I guess wala namang pinipiling gender.
Do you know when you fall in love with somebody because they're a great singer, they're a great performer, and then you get to know their personality and you think that they're really funny, and then you get to know their heart and you realize that this is the person that they are. I have never been more in love with a human being. I just love that he's using his platform to talk so openly about this sort of stuff. And obviously he's surrounded by people from this community, and so he can talk with a little bit of knowledge on their behalf and through experience as well. And I truly love this, because I think people are so quick to judge. If something is not directly affecting you, whether you agree with it or not, does it really matter? As long as the people are happy and they're not forcing anything on you, and I just let people get on with their lives, that's it.
Ang love. Love is for everyone. Love is for all. Love language na gusto kong ma-receive. Kahit ano. Sasabihin mo ba yun? Sabihin mo ba yun sa partner mo? Gusto kong love language na ma-receive ko this month ay act of forgiveness.
He gets a little bit touchy when we talk about love.
Online ako sa IG kanina. Nagka-crush ka na po ba dati? Oo naman, syempre. Diyos ko, yung mga first crush na yun, nagsisimula yan nung elementary. Diba? Nagsisimula yan nung elementary, mga crush, mga puppy love na yan. Diyos ko. Sino? Syempre di nyo naman kilala. Kayo naman, no? Pag sinabi ko ba yung pangalan, kilala nyo. O, di ba? Hanapin nyo lang sa Facebook eh. Hala, crush niya ako. Sabi. Amin ka na sa akin. Nasa si RJ? Nasa bahay. Ano ba araw ngayon? Baka nga nasa school pa yun eh. Naging class officer. Naging treasurer ako nung high school. Ay, elementary. Naging treasurer ako nung elementary. Elementary ba? Feeling ko high school kasi wala naman treasurer nung elementary. Treasurer nung ng high school. Tapos naging sergeant at arms. First year high school, wala. Kasi wala pa naman akong friends noon. Second year high school, parang hindi, first year, treasurer. Parang treasurer. First year. Tapos second year, yung mga sumunod, yun na yung mga naging sergeant at arms. So, ganun. Tapos the rest, wala na.
I have no idea what none of this means.
Kasi naging busy na ako nun sa dancing. Kami yung lagi nang na-excuse pag may mga pagka nagpe-prepare na sa competition. So, madalas, yung mga quiz namin, na kami, exempted na. Kasi kami nag-represent ng school. So, excuse na kami sa mga quizzes. Tapos sa exam, may mga may mga plus points. Lalo na pagka nananalo kami sa grand finals, mga ganun. Tatanggap ka ba ng acting project? Oo naman. Wala tayong hindian. Nagpa-practice na nga ako. Umiyak, tignan nyo. Diba? Hindi, pero seryoso. Willing naman, pero syempre, depende pa rin sa schedule. Alam mo, tagal na nung live ko. Sabi ko, kakain lang ako eh. Tapos na ako kumain eh. Tuyo na nga yung buhok ko. Ano oras na ba? Alam, 5:30 na pala. Anyways, guys, I think kailangan ko na mag-end kasi medyo nakaligtaan ko yung oras. Mag-5:30 na pala. Kailangan ko na muna magpahinga para in case magkaroon ng dance mamaya, nakapag-rest ako. So, ayun. Naano ko naman yung goal ko na makapag-live and kumain. And nakapag-usap pa tayo ng medyo mahaba.
He set himself a goal to
thank you
go
so much,
live.
guys. Salamat sa pagsama sa biglaang live.
We love it.
Thank you so much. And kung may
What
mga
a
gagawin po
t-shirt.
kayo ngayong araw, gawin nyo na. Yung mga nagre-review dyan, mga nag-aaral, mag-aral na kayo. Pasensya na kung nag-live ako. Next time ulit, pagka nagkaroon ng free time. Sige na, bye-bye na. Thank you sa pagsama. Next time ulit. Thank you so much. Ingat kayo, and ingat sa pag-uwi, ingat sa mga alis, ingat sa may gala, and good luck sa may mga ginagawa, good luck sa mga may exam, galingan mo sumagot, huwag kang ma-pressure. Sa mga nasa galaan, ingat kayo. Wallet mo, yung cellphone mo, itago mo, baka mamaya madukutan ka.
Cute.
Yung mga nasa mall, bago mo bilihin yan, pag-isipan mo muna kung may budget ka pa next week.
So cute.
Bago mo bilihin yan, isipin mo muna kung kailangan mo ba
True.
talaga. Isipin mo muna kung ano yan, luho, want ba yan or need mo. Okay?
Yes, Dad.
Yung mga ano dyan, mga nasa bahay na nag-iisip ng anong gagawin. Hugasan mo na yung plato, kumilos ka ngayon. Hugasan mo yung plato, magwalis ka para di magalit nanay mo, para payagan ka sa pagtatag finale. Okay? Wag ka na mapo sa sofa. Kilos. Paliguan mo yung kapatid mo. Paliguan mo yung kapatid mo bago ka humilata. Tsaka yung kumot, tiklopin mo. Ayusin mo yung kama. Tiklop ka ng kumot. Okay? Tapos pagkatapos mo, magsaing ka na. Magsaing ka. Kahit di ka na magluto, si mama mo na yon. Magsaing ka after maghugas, okay? Sige na. Love you.
Full on mum mode.
Joke lang. Sige na.
Did she just say I
Pahinga na
love you,
kayo.
but joke?
Tapos na, Gar. Sige, Gar. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye-bye. See you again next time. Ingat kayo. Love you. Thank you. Take care. Because
Hurry
I
up.
care. Care Bear. Bye. Bye.
The longer that this goodbye takes, the more ridiculous my feelings are. I loved this, and you could see that he was getting a little maybe sleepy because, you know, as he'd worked out, a little bit tired from that, and then he'd eaten like good food, and then he really just needed to rest by the end of that. But I do love the whole idea of like asking weird questions and then him giving like ridiculous answers or non-answers, batting them away, or actually like getting like into these juicy answers. I just really love it. Every time we sit down, like I learn so much more about him. And he's not somebody that I see on a TV or in a music video. He's like a real human being in my life. And I'm just so appreciative that we get to do this for as long as we get to do this. I never ever take a single TikTok live for granted. I know there will be a time where he won't do these anymore. And I love it. It makes me so happy. It makes me feel energized for the rest of the day. And I feel like I've just had a quick chat with my friend on the phone, you know, like we've just FaceTimed each other or something like that. This was great. We got to do a little bit of everything, minus singing next time though. And it's always a pleasure to spend time with you and to spend time with Stell. And I can't wait to hear what you have to say about his mood in this one, because it was really interesting, especially towards the end. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun. And until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe. Bye.